Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to recover deleted files on Windows 10 Easy Tutorial. So if you've mistakenly deleted a file and you want to restore them, so you should be able to do so if those files are still on the recycle bin of your device. So to go ahead and restore this, you'll just have to simply go here onto the search bar of your device and we'll type in recycle bin. So click onto the recycle bin right after to open that, and then you should be able to see the recently deleted file here. So you'll just have to scroll or find which one you want to go ahead and restore. Like for example, I want to restore this recording in here. So you should be able to see also in here its file path or the original location wherein before it was deleted. So you'll just have to right click onto this or click onto that and then right click, and you should be able to see an option to restore this. So once you restore this, it will gonna go ahead and bring back the file onto its original file path or location, which is shown here. And that is how easy you could just simply restore or recover deleted files on Windows 10. Don't forget to check the links in the description for extra tips and helpful resources just for you. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.